When people hear about folding smartphones, they don't consider it to be daily devices. And they worry about the durability, they worry about the prices. But in this video, I'm going to give you guys 5 reasons why you should consider the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or consider buying it. Hi guys, this is Big Phil and welcome back to another video. This time, I'm going to be giving you guys 5 reasons why you should consider the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 or why you should consider going right ahead and buy it. First thing first, the price. Everybody knows that folding devices, folding smartphones are more expensive than traditional smartphones, which is true because of the technology that goes into it, the innovation, and everything that goes into making a folding device. And there's a stigma because everyone, when you talk to somebody about a folding phone, they'll be like, no, it's too expensive. When I bought this one, people were looking at me like I'm super rich. People were like, no, it's too expensive. You're so rich to buy a folding phone. But luckily, Samsung has break that stigma by cutting the price of the new Galaxy Z Flip 3. When I bought this one, it was $1,500 US. But right now, you can pick up the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 for $1,000 US. That is great. That is a great price. And for $1,000 US, it put the Galaxy Z Flip 3 at the same level as other flagship smartphones like the S21 Ultra, the iPhone 12 Pro Max. They're all at the same level. But those smartphones might have bigger display, bigger battery, more cameras, but they don't have the cool factor that the Galaxy Z Flip 3 has. Because the Galaxy Z Flip 3, it can do this. It can do this. But all those other phones cannot. And talking about the cool factor, that is the second reason why you should consider buying the new Galaxy Z Flip 3, because it looks different. It's a smartphone that makes you to stand out from the crowd. It gives you that coolness. Being able to do like this, to pick up calls, like this, to end calls, it's an incredible feeling. Trust me guys, I've used this thing for 1 year and the Z Flip will be my main device forever. I just ordered my new Z Flip 3, will be coming soon. You see, I'm addicted. I'm stuck with the Z Flip because I just love it. It's so easy to pick up calls, drop calls, easy to put into any bag and to put in a pocket, hold in your hands. It's just a very simple device, very portable. So the design is the biggest, it's the second reason why you should consider buying it. And also thanks to more technology, more innovation, everything about a new Galaxy Z Flip 3 looks better than this one. Even the hinges is much better than this one. I did a hands-on video. I'll drop the video in the description below. I did a hands-on where I tested everything and I also compared it with this one. The hinges feels better on the new Galaxy Z Flip 3. Even the overall design, everything looks much better and you can still do this. The flex mode. You can do all that with a new Galaxy Z Flip 3. So the design and the coolness, the cool factor is another reasons why you should consider buying it. And thanks to innovation, thanks to modern technology, the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 has an IPX8 water rating, which is another big reason for you to buy it or for you to even consider buying it. Because IPX8 rating means you can take it beside the swimming pool. You can even put it beside water. Mine, this is the first generation. It has survived up to 1 year now because I always keep it far away from water. And the idea of having an IPX8 rating or a water resistant on a folding device to me was impossible. But Samsung did it, which is amazing. And I'm so happy for that feature because this one was always far away from water. I never let anyone touch it. My little daughter never touched my phone because I thought she's gonna drop it in the water or do something that might destroy the phone. But having IPX8 rating on the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 is incredible, thanks to innovation. The next reason why you should consider buying the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 is because of the outer display. The outer display right here is now much bigger and much more useful as compared to this one. This one right here, as you can see, is very small. I couldn't do anything with it except look in the time, control music, and take selfie, which is hard to see your whole body. So when you're taking a selfie on it, you don't know how to frame your shot. But the new Z Flip 3 has a bigger 1.9 inches, which is great for taking selfie because you can use the two main cameras, and the two main cameras are really good. So when you take a selfie with it, and you can also make a video. That's mind-blowing. I mean, you can make a video with a new Galaxy Z Flip 3 from the outer display by using the two main cameras. So imagine using this as a vlogging camera. Yeah, like those who do vlogging. You can just hold this, or you put this in your tripod because it's small. When you fold it, it's a square device. So put it on a tripod or hold it like this to do vlogging. That would be nice. Think about it. So that's one thing I'm more excited, and that's another reason why you should consider buying the new Galaxy Z Flip. The 1.9 inches display is really useful right now. You can do a lot from it, and above all, the biggest for me is being able to make a video from that little display. It's really good. The last reason why you should consider the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 is because of the processor. That's because the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 comes with the latest and the newest processor, which is Snapdragon 888. I mean, that's the flagship level of processor right there. It's found in the S21 Ultra and other big flagship devices. So it means the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 is considered a flagship smartphone. And for the price of $1,000 US, it match up as other flagship smartphone right now, like the S21 Ultra. They are at the same level. So the new processor is incredible. It also has a better amount of RAM, 8 GB of RAM, and you can have it in more storage options. This one, when the first generation Z Flip was released, the processor was not the newest, and it came just with one storage options. But now you have two storage. You can either go with 128 or 256. So the processor is much better. Everything, the performance is a great reason why you should consider the new Galaxy Z Flip 3. And that's all about this video, guys. But I'm going to end the video by saying I'm making this video just to help you guys, help you, my viewers, my subscribers, because I know a lot of people are thinking about the new Galaxy Z Flip 3. They're considered buying it or buy something else, but I'm just here to help you guys. I'm not the owner of Samsung. I love Samsung devices, but I'm not the owner. I'm not the CEO. I'm nothing to Samsung, but I'm just helping you guys to make a better decision. And to me, I think the new Galaxy Z Flip, the new Galaxy Z Flip 3 is a great folding device that anyone can buy right now. The price is much cheaper. The design, the build quality, everything has been improved, a better outer display. The processor is the latest flagship processor. Everything else is really good, and it's the best time. I mean, it's the right time I can recommend a folding smartphone to anybody. The IPX8 water rating is a game changer, because now you can take it to a swimming pool, you can take it to anywhere where there's water without having water. Because this one has survived 1 year because I always put it far away from water. But now you don't have to. So those are all the reasons why you should consider the new Galaxy Z Flip 3, or why you should just go right ahead and buy it. And thank you guys for watching this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button. Turn on notification for more videos, more good videos coming up on Big Phil TV. Until then, see you into the next one. Peace.